can call her as Shamaji. So definitely, I think all the devotees will agree. I don't know where is Manju is attending or not. My heartfelt thank to Manju. Not only that, Manju was instrumental for me to join the online meditation, online Bhagavad Gita, online this Bhagavad Gita advanced class, and also Savan Manjari Parayan. You all know Savan Manjari is a very great. So now, this Corona time, I'll say, I spend more with Sai, and I feel that I am busy more than what I used to work. And then next is our Subhashini madam. So can you hear me?
Yes, I request Manju ji to please take over the mic. Manju ji. Manju ji.
So can I continue?
Manju.
I'm here.
Yes, Manju.
You are here now, Manju?
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
always behind the, she's always behind the screen. She's the back. She's the backbone of the whole satsang. I like to say because of her, it was possible.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'll tell you, Manju made me read about 8 to 9 chapters, different groups, Sai Prayer, Sai Parana. So I can say I love Sai, I live in Sai, I breathe Sai, exhale Sai. Now coming back to the madam's lecture, Subhashini madam, I don't have to say, reading Satcharita, I have read 50 times, not less than 50 before meeting her. But after joining day by day, day after day, I understand the inner meaning. And it is what GL sir said is correct. It was much more than what is written by Hemat Panji in Satcharita. See, we won't like to read if it is 8 pages. I'll tell frankly, if it is 20 pages, we'll hesitate. But Didi has put by giving so many examples. So that made me very easy. And one more thing I'll say, nowadays, and this year especially, whenever I pray to Sai, I don't ask him anything. That devotion has come to me because of all these 3 great people, Manju and this Subhashini Didi and our GLX. I don't ask anything. I join everywhere in RP, Diksha, everything I do. But I say, I feel, Baba, my mind should be always under your feet and my tongue should always chant your name because he has blessed me with everything. I had faced a lot of problems in my life, but I am enjoying a good health, and that is because of my Sai Ma. And I won't waste much of a time. I'll just tell you one small miracle. When I completed the 40th day, 2 days before only, Didi has talked about Satka. What is the effect of Satka? And just when I finished the Aarti, my landlord, who has never visited me for 3.5 years, mind you, he came with a Sai Baba photo, one side Joli and other side Satka begin. And he is just crossing the house. What will you say? Is it not a miracle? Sai Ma came in person. I don't want anything in life now. And he has saved my daughter from the jaws of death.
That's the daughter of Baba.
It's all Baba. And one more thing, I'd like to share a small miracle. What happened is in January, actually the income tax this time I was so merged in Parayan, I forgot to file my return. In fact, my brother had sent me a message on New Year Day. 10 days time is there, you please file the return. And what happened? I said, okay. Then I told my daughter also, tomorrow I'll sit and file the tax. But by that time, I got a serious problem of this bronchitis and all. And doctor said, you have to take your RT-PCR test. So the mind turned toward that. It came negativity to Baba. I forgot, and on 11th morning, early morning, somebody well dressed in white dress. Have you not filed your tax? My God, here Baba has come even as a tax consultant. Yes. Then I got up, I said, I forgot, and you all know it was 10,000 rupees fine. Oh. But immediately I thought, I went in front of Baba and said, maybe it is some debt I have not paid. So let me pay to the government. But I called my chartered accountant, I gave everything. He said, madam, this you cannot escape. Anyway, you give all the debt. You will all not believe. Next day, he said, you don't, his fees was 2,000 rupees, that is different. He found out a section where my concurrent audit fees, he showed it as some expense. And I was about to get a refund of 11,000. There he adjusted 10,000. And this clause, I have worked for 43 years. No one has told me. What will you say? What will you say?
Baba's blessings.
The younger generation, I want to tell one thing. Don't you can read chapter for this. In fact, 11 is universal. Everybody is reading. 11 is my birthday. You can read a chapter for a specific purpose. But when you read for Sai. Think just is sitting near you. And one more thing, this with Didi gave, I followed. I have gone to Shirdi so much. She said in the Gurusthan you take this in production and open the Satcharita. Whatever chapter comes, that is Sai Baba wants you to read. 18 and 19 came. It was December 22nd, 2019. So what happened when I came back, a group started. I was allotted 18 and 19. Then I understood why Baba asked me to read, because Hemant Panji ko itna accept karne ko time liya. What are we? We are nothing. I said, Baba, every day I read that chapter. It's almost by heart for me. Next it comes. And then suddenly one day, there it comes about dhyan and meditation. Once I told Baba means whenever I see Satcharita in between, I'll see Baba, I'll think he is listening to me. So what happened is I told Baba, everything I'm able to do, chant, parayan, but meditation I am not able to do. Dhyan nahi hota hai, aankh band karne se, frankly, because nowadays I tell you where it comes, myself and my daughter is saying, I frank only to Baba, I share my heart, I pour out of my heart only to Baba. Because he is my mother, father, everybody. So what happened? The next day, Manju had sent about an online meditation, and there the meditation, soul purification, they are asking us to first call the Guru. So first I'll say, when we close the eyes, we just think, Dhyana Moolam Gurur Murti, Puja Moolam Gurur Padam, Mantra Moolam Gurur Vakyam, Moksha Moolam Gurur Kripa. I tells us that I start the meditation. So Baba is in heart. So what Satcharita in chapter 48, Baba is telling, just you increase your faith, you make your heart clean and make a wicks of love, and then you burn it with the faith, light of faith, knowledge will come. So I'm telling everybody, and one good thing I will tell, that with that I'll finish, because because when I start talking about Didi and other people, I cannot tell. But one thing I'll tell. First time when she finished Satcharita, Arakere, we had a Udghatan ceremony, closing ceremony. One side there was a Sai Baba photo, other side she just wrote which chapter today and Palastuti. And she said everybody has to pick up, just like lottery tickets. For me, chapter 4 came. There it was written, the construction of the 3 vadas, and any if your work is pending, home or office construction, it will happen. That time I opened up Didi. It has come, but I had booked a flat in 2014 and the promoter cheated after taking 18 to 20 lakhs. And I retired, there was no place to stay. Then I told Didi, what happened? You have come. Then I said, if Baba has given this, something will happen. Within 6 months, all the owners we planned and the flat is constructed. And this is for the younger generation. The faith, if you have, it will happen. But it will not happen at the time we want. It will happen at the time when Baba wants. So we have to wait. Even some of my prayer, deep down my heart, I don't want to tell it open, it's not answered. Then I said that Baba knows the time, I leave it. And I don't demand anything. And the flat was ready. And this Corona time, it was in Begur Road. Corona time, I cannot go out because my children said, you cannot move out, you are above 60. Walk-in person came on a Thursday for rent, and next Thursday he occupied a flat. July 2nd and July 9th. What will you say, devotees? Sai Ma is in every breath, he is in my house. Sometimes if people ask me how many people are staying in your house, I say 3. Then say 3, who? You, your daughter? That is Sai throughout. So thanks a lot, Subhashini Didi, for making me what I am. See, I am a transformed person now. Thank you, Manjuji. You are the Shama. You continue the service. And whatever way I can help, I will help. And GLH sir and Jyoti madam also, thank you so much. And last but not the least is our sweet Neha. I used to imagine what role I will give, but every chapter is such a nice picture. The pictorial depiction itself will say, oh, next it is coming, next it is coming. And all the devotees, some of them I know, for giving me the encouragement, for giving the gist. Every time, sometimes I used to type till 12:31. And these are all first started by AGL, sir, but it happened only because of collective effort of everybody. And thank you one and all, and thanks to our Sai Ma. God bless everybody. Bow to Sai, peace be to all. Thank you and all once again. Om Saya.
Thank you so much, Jayanti ma'am. Such a wonderful words.
And one more thing, I thanks my parents who are no more. Today I was just thinking, if my mother and father would have seen me today, they would have been very happy. But I could not give the blessings to them. Anyway, thank you. I'm not able to speak. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you, Jayanti ma'am. You are already blessed daughter of Baba. He has given you what you wanted, and you have been changed person. Like
He has given me everything. Thank you so much. Sorry if I've taken extra time.
No, it was wonderful. Really, so nice to hear from you. Thank you so much. Okay, next speaker is Manju ji, and she's जिसको कहते हैं छिप छिप के सेवा करनी, ऐसे ही ये छिप छिप के सेवा करती है. जो भी काम है किसी को बोलती नहीं, कुछ करती नहीं, but she does the seva. So I'd like to I request Manju ji to please say a few words today to all the devotees. Manju ji.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Yes.
Sai Ram.
You can on the
Thanks.
please on the video.
वीडियो मेरा ना कुछ खराब ही है कैमरा में, so I can just talk.
Okay, yeah, please.
Actually I like to thank you because the group वगैरह we can just network कर सकते हैं, but उसको group को almost like 50 chapter. I never thought we can finish or not. I just thought कि शुरू तो करेंगे, क्या होगा बाबा जाने. So we just started like this, and I just want to know, I just want to tell कि हम लोग कैसे मिले. See, we just Baba ne, he came in my dream. Baba came in my dream and asked me to like कुछ बड़ा function करो जहाँ all the Bangalore devotees can meet. I was completely not aware कि how to make people to come to the function, because आजकल तो सबकी घर में भजन होती है, सबकी घर में. Just like अब हम बोलेंगे कि भजन हो रहा है तो hardly people can come, because every house आरती, every house भजन, every house सचित्रा देवी. So Baba has told me कि you have to make such like ground में करने का, कहा कि फिर people should come there. तो ऐसा हो के like he gave me some hint in the dream कि some names they will help me, so that if I start telling then it takes a day for me to tell about the function. I just say कि how we met with Subhashini madam and Jayanti madam. So we just started like Baba ने कैसा guide किया, we went with that. And Padukas ki time pe we just met Jayanti madam. She came to the meeting for Subhashini madam also, when we had a meeting, small meeting to start with the function. There we met both of them, and it was completely Baba's blessing कि सच्चरित्र पारायण था इसमें function में, but I was not able to sit and listen to ma'am because I was completely busy with many of the things in the function. Yes. So a lockdown situation में many people were down. It's like वो fear था सबके मन में कि क्या होगा. So I thought कि why we should fear, like we can make something virtually. Everything is going on virtually, then why not we do such things. So ऐसा होके मैंने सुभाषिनी मैडम से बात किया, तो she agreed with that. It was a really a blessing of Baba. So I never expected कि हम 51 chapters complete भी कर लेंगे. And I'm very much thankful to Neha. Such a beautiful pictures. I never thought कि Neha will do that.
Yeah, all Baba made it.
Because it's completely a blessing of Baba. मैंने सुभाषिनी मैडम बोला था कि we'll do some pictures, तो attraction होगा, तो that will become very good. But we never expect कि Baba will make a medium and Neha has this medium. And Jayanti ma'am is awesome everything, क्योंकि मैं कभी-कभी नहीं attend कर पाती हूँ, because my meditation class, my aarti time, everything clash with the Subhashini madam class. This one, Satcharitra Parayan ka satsang. So I used to listen like after the video, the recorded one. So this is all is like just planned by Baba, everything, how we met. And Subhashini madam, Jayanti ma'am, Neha and me, we all met before this. So it is all Baba planned before, like next step ours will be like with the satsang seva.
Yes.
So सबको not many things like I can say, because Baba के बारे में बात करते रहेंगे तो it will never end.
Yeah,
it will never end. And if you talk about experience, every person can write a book about him. Every person can write. Yes. Every person can have a blog. Every person can have a YouTube. Every person can do a satsang of him.
Yes.
Because इतने experience है, सबको इतने experience है.
Yes.
No, it's never ending. Every day is experience, and every day we are just, because of him, we are like everything is fine in our life. So I just like to thank Subhashini ma'am, Jayanti ma'am, Neha, everybody who are doing the wonderful in this satsang this one. Please continue this group with many things where we are not aware of this. Because देखो हम लोग सिर्फ network कर सकते, but we cannot talk like Subhashini ma'am. It is a gift only given by Baba to her. Some gifts are like it's only they should do. Not everybody can do everything here. So I'm very thankful to ma'am. Like it's a wonderful satsang. जब मैं सुन रही थी अवसाई में, my ears were like completely to the ma'am what she is saying, but my mind is like कब क्या काम हो रहा है, कोई ना कोई बुला लेते थे कि madam you need here, so I used to run everywhere. That time my mind was like when will I sit and listen to her. So this was a blessing during the coronavirus time. As Jayanti ma'am said, that meditation was also a very good blessing by Baba. Many things which happened in this time. Sometimes the coronavirus is a boon to us because he Baba gave a big break to us. Ki stop running, sit and meditate, sit and wait for the completely concentrate on the God. Like बच्चे भाग रहे थे स्कूल को, हम भी भाग रहे थे. Completely we were running around like कुछ ये नहीं है, ऐसे we were just running. So it was like most of the people, Baba made it as a full stop.
Yes.
You have God in your home. हम अपने भगवान को घर में ढूंढ सकते हैं, हम अपने मन में है भगवान. हमको मंदिर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, और not like we can talk to somebody or meet somebody and do something. Everything is at home, everything is in your heart, and that Baba made it to realize everybody in this situation. So this is I like to talk this much because many people are there waiting, I guess. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to talk here.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was really wonderful.
Thank you.
Nice to speak to you. It was
Thank you.
nice, and thank you for your valuable words and the very beautiful miracles which you shared. Okay, the next person I like to call upon Mrs. Radha ji from Delhi. Radha ji, Mrs. Radha ji from Delhi.
Om Sai Ram. I am Radha from Delhi. I am Jayanti's cousin. Actually, she made myself very emotional. Her speech was so emotional that I am not able to start my speech now. She is my Bua's daughter, but we are like real sisters. Till today, we share everything. So she introduced me to this group. She said, let's join, you also join this group. You will not have any problem in, you will have peace of mind. So I joined, I'm really impressed by her wonderful gist in each chapter. So actually, my parents were very religious, and since my childhood, we used to have bhajans and kirtans at our home, Hari bhajans. But as Didi says, Sai Brahma, Sai Vishnu, Sai Maheshwara. So Sai was with us from the beginning. And actually, there was a lady in Delhi who was an ardent devotee of Sai. We used to attend Sai Kirtans in our house. One day she said she is going to do Pada Puja in Bangalore. And she said Baba came in a dream, and she told, Baba told her that you do the Pada Puja of my parents. So it was Sai's blessings. We didn't know, we were not aware of his Leelas. So then at the time of my father at the time of his death, he was in coma, but suddenly one day he said, I am attending meeting of Sai. So I believe that he was also taken in Pushpa Viman by Sai and merged in his lotus feet, just like Kaka Sahib Dikshit. This Jayanti only told me that you inspired me to read Sat Charitra. So she said I started reading, and I read few times, not 50 times like her. I read few times. Then whenever I have any problem, she used to say, you read this particular chapter, you will get peace of mind, your problem will get solved. I did that, and it really happened with me. Then after attending this satsang, I was so thrilled. I was so, it is so blissful. See, whenever Didi speaks, I visualize the things. I visualize Sai Leelas, and I go deep into the katha. So when sometimes she says, look, you imagine that you are in Dwarka Mai. I used to imagine that I am one of the Sirdi Vasi who is sitting in Dwarka Mai and listening to her Baba's pravachan. So I'm really, I don't know, Baba was with us from the beginning, but we could not recognize him. So, and the way Didi speaks, it really touches my heart, and my eyes are filled with tears. So then, like DL Sir said, it's not, whenever we hear to Didi, it is a lot more. We get a lot more than what we read in the Charitra. Now, after listening to Didi's pravachan and Jayanti's gist, now I made it a point to read each and every chapter and with in depth, and then take the blessings of Sai. And then Jayanti whenever, see, I visited Shirdi, when I visited Shirdi for the first time, it was a Thursday. I saw Chavdi procession. So when Didi was describing about Chavdi, so I visualized that. And once when we visited this Shirdi, it was a Ramanavami day. We had to stand in a long queue outside Samadhi Mandir. We had booked for evening Aarti, and we had to stand in a long queue outside the Samadhi Mandir for about 3 hours. So, but as soon as the Aarti began, all our tiredness, we didn't feel any tiredness, and we had the blissful darshan of Baba. From that day, me and my husband, either go to Sai temple on Thursday to see the Aarti or perform Aarti at home. This is what these are all blessings of Sai. That's all I can say. So, the next time when we went to south and visited many temples. We also visited the Nagasai temple, which Didi was describing in one of her pravachan. So, in chapter number 33, Didi explained about Udi, the philosophical significance of Udi and the efficacy of Udi. I don't have Udi at home, because whatever Udi I brought, it was all over. But I take Vibhuti and pray to Baba to treat it as Udi, apply on my forehead, and then I also drink, mix it with water and drink. Once I was having a very severe pain, stomach pain at night, and I was not able to sleep. I just mixed Udi and drank it, and also applied Udi on the stomach. You will not believe, within few seconds, the pain went away and I was able to sleep also. All this, the faith towards Baba increased because of these pravachan which Didi has given us, and the gist which... so every chapter we are having an oral and written description of the Sat Charitra chapters. Then Didi also said, if you give a bit of true love to Baba, you will get back in 100. So really, I'm telling, I'm very this is a very blissful this thing, and I'm really happy to be a part of this group. I pray to God that He should give me, I pray to Baba to give me unflinching devotion towards Him. Actually, we are all beginners. Just like she was saying, youngsters, we are all beginners. We'll have to go a long way to reach like this thing. And my younger brother always used to call Jayanti as Baba. We have a family WhatsApp group, and he used to write, Baba, you're doing this, Baba. She always used to say, I'm not Baba, I'm only a devotee of Baba. But whatever she sends lots of Baba's messages to us. So we are really thankful to her. And I am very thankful to Didi for giving me this opportunity to share my views. I'm thankful to the Pancharatna, like Didi for a pravachan, GL sir for his key takeaway of each chapter, Jayanti for her wonderful gist, Manju ji, who is the creator and organizer of this group, which has benefited all of us. And last but not the least, Neha for her pictorial depiction. And I thank Sai. I am also thankful to Sai for his grace showered on all the devotees. without whom we cannot hear to this satsang. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Rakshat, Sarnam Deva.
Thank you so much, Radha ji. बहुत ही very touchy talk. It was so emotional that सभी बाबा का दर्शन हो रहे थे जैसे आप बोल रहे थे. Thank you so much. So now I request Dr. Silky from Agra to say a few words on her devotion. Yeah, Dr. Silky, please.
Om Sai Ram, Auntie.
Om Sai Ram.
Can everyone hear? Can you hear me, Auntie?
Yes, I can hear you.
Om Sai Ram, Auntie. First of all, I'd just like to say, feeling very, very happy, elated, blessed to be a part of this evening. Actually, this is the first time I'm attending the live session as far as Didi's discourses are concerned. We just got connected recently, say about 3 or 4 months back. And again, I would have to thank Mahaparayan for that. That was the main reason we got connected. But again, behind everything, as we all of us know, all of Baba's children know that there is our Rinanubandh and Baba's grace. Without his will, nothing will happen. So Neha, I know personally, very sweet child of Baba. Manju Didi, I've had a limited interaction because she's the admin of in one of the Khichdi Parayan groups. So that's how I know her. And listening to Didi's discourses has been an eye-opener. Like, I have been reading Satcharita, I would say, by Baba's grace since 10 years, but reading like, just literally reading it every day. But Didi literally, Baba has blessed her to pick up those gems, those pearls like of knowledge from inside the Satcharita. And one particular instance I would like to state, I heard the discourse on chapter number 26 online on YouTube later on, not on the Zoom meeting. And उसके introductory part में दीदी ने एक बात समझाई थी माया के बारे में कि actually माया क्या है, हमारा मन ही माया है. That line got stuck with me. And what do we mean by हमारा मन ही माया है? मैंने जो उसका interpretation निकाला वो ये था, by मन I mean हमारा thinking mind माया है, ठीक है. And उससे मैंने lesson ये सीखा कि हम किसी भी डिफिकल्टी में होते हैं, मुश्किल में होता है, everybody says we must hold on to Baba tighter, Baba will tide us through, all difficulties will get solved. That is wonderful. That is what everybody tells us to do. कोई भी मुश्किल वक्त आए, कोई किसी को जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, कुछ भी है, आप बाबा को पकड़े रहिए, छोड़िए मत. This is one aspect of Maya. But जो aspect मैंने सीखा है कि जब हमें times थोड़े simpler हो जाते हैं, happier हो जाते हैं, that is the time when I think Maya gets stronger. क्योंकि हम उस समय, at least मैं उस समय complacent हो जाती हूँ. My own faith की जो grip है वो थोड़ी loose हो जाती है. तो मैंने ये बहुत अच्छी बात सीखी कि माया actually दोनों parts में है, difficulty में भी है, और जब easier way में हम जा रहे हैं तो I think माया stronger है, और उस समय बाबा को हमें और जोर से पकड़े रहना चाहिए. तो ये एक बहुत ही वंडरफुल चीज मैंने दीदी के मन ही माया है वाले लाइन से सीखी. एंड मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ, आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. आप लोग सब मुझसे बहुत बड़े हैं, बहुत सीनियर है, बहुत नॉलेजेबल है. आई एम टू लिटिल अ पर्सन एंड टू इग्नोरेंट, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न. एंड वंस अगेन आई थैंक दीदी, आई थैंक नेहा, आई थैंक मंजू जी. These are all the people I know a little bit. And just wonderful being part of this evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Silky. आपने बहुत अच्छा कहा, माया के बारे में डिटेल में समझाया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much. Okay, next I would like to call upon Sangeeta from Erode. Sangeeta ji from Erode. One second. Sangeeta, Sangeeta. No, Sangeeta Chidambaram. Sangeeta Chidambaram? Not there. Not there. Okay, Shantala from Dubai. Shantala from Dubai.
ओम साई राम.
Om Sai Ram, Shantala ji.
नमस्कार सबको, सब भक्तों को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम.
प्रणाम.
एक बार मैं साईं की पूजा कर रही थी,
तो मेरे मन में आया कि मुझे सत्संग ऐसा मिले जहाँ पे मुझे समझ में आए कि साईं चरित्र में क्या लिखा हुआ है। पढ़ता मैंने पढ़ी बहुत बार थी, लेकिन मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था, उतना डीप में नहीं आता था। तो वो मैं पूजा कर रही थी, मैं साईं चरित्र मैंने पढ़ी थी उस दिन, और मुझे लगा कि मुझे वो कोई सत्संग में कोई समझाने वाला मिल जाए तो कितना अच्छा, कितना आनंद आ जाए। आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे, मैं पूजा करके उठी और मैंने YouTube खोला, और YouTube में उस दिन आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर पे आपका प्रवचन चल रहा था। उसके बाद से मैंने कहा नहीं, ये तो चमत्कार हो गया मेरे साथ कि मुझे समझना था और आपने वो समझाया। उसके बाद से मैं हमेशा जब भी आपका लेक्चर होता था, मैं आई यूज्ड टू वेट कि आपका किस दिन आएगा, लेकिन बीच बीच में मेरा मिस भी हो जाता था, 1-2 बार मेरा मिस हुआ है। तो उसके लिए मैं कहूंगी कि जयंती मैम का जस्ट एकदम बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है कि जो आपने बोला है उन्होंने बिल्कुल उसी को लिख के उतार दिया है। तो मैं आप लोगों से किसी से मिली तो नहीं हूँ पर्सनली, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो संबंध है मेरा आप लोगों के साथ, शायद बाबा की वजह से, कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं सबको जानती हूँ, सबको पहचानती हूँ। तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चमत्कार था। पहले मैं नोएडा में थी, दिल्ली में थी, उसके बाद ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इस कोरोना कॉल में मेरे हस्बैंड को यहाँ पे नौकरी मिली, तो वी शिफ्टेड टू दुबई। अर्लियर वी वर इन दुबई, बट नाउ वी शिफ्टेड अगेन बैक टू दुबई. My daughters are here, so I'm there with them. And even now I'm listening to your pravachans each day, and I will wish that it should not any time discontinue. Please do something. If you don't get anything, please start the Parayan again. We are there because every time you read the Parayan, the chapter, you will get something or the other new from it, because it's so deep. Like you always say that it's an ocean, and as deep we go, we'll get some or the other moti from that. So we'll keep doing this. आप इतना अच्छा बोलते हो, लगता है कि पूरा का पूरा चित्र सामने घूम जाता है. It's like a video going on. सब लगता है कि साईं बाबा बिल्कुल सामने खड़े हैं और वही सुना रहे हैं. और आपके पीछे जो बाबा की फोटो लगी है वो इतनी प्यारी और इतनी सुंदर है, मुझे तो लगता है कि बाबा वहां से देख के मुस्कुरा रहे हैं और सब भक्तों को आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं कि ऐसे ही सुनते रहो, ऐसे ही करते रहो, ऐसे ही, और आप भक्ति में ऐसे ही भक्ति बढ़ाते रहो. बाबा तो सबके हृदय में है, इसमें भी दो मत नहीं है, लेकिन वो भाव भी सब में है, लेकिन उसको जागृत करना, उसको जगाना सबके बस की बात नहीं है. तो वो आपके में है. आप जो बोलते हो तो लगता है कि बाबा बिल्कुल आपके पीछे से खड़े होके वो बाबा ही बोल रहे हैं. मुझे तो ऐसा फीलिंग होता है कि बाबा आपके मुख से, श्रीमुख से बोल रहे हैं, और बाबा क्या वो एक एक चीज इतनी साफ होती जाती है कि मुझे बहुत आनंद आता है. मैं तो अपने बच्चों को भी बोलती हूँ, उनको भी बोलती हूँ कि सुनो कितना अच्छा लेक्चर है, कितना अच्छा सीख दे रही है. तो ऐसे ही अपने बच्चों को मैं खींच रही हूँ इसमें कि वो भी आपसे जुड़े हों और सुने. कभी मौका मिलेगा और कभी मैं बैंगलोर आई तो मैं आप लोगों से जरूर मिलना चाहूंगी. और उस पे जीएल सर का इतना अच्छा की नोट्स, उनका जो गाइडेंस है, ट्रू. हाँ, takeaways are very good. I really want to get his books, but as I'm here in Dubai, I'm not able to get his books. I'm not able to read his books. But once I'm back in India, I'll surely going to get his books and read his books and see how this is what. So I'm really blessed to get association with this. And Manju ji ka aisa hai ki I'm in that Mahaparayan group. Every Thursday we read the Sai Charitra.
I think we're running short of the time.
Yeah.
Shall I schedule one more meeting?
For the next months you can, I think so. Or next day, you were saying next day you can do it.
Now because some people are left. Or shall we wind up? What do you say?
As you wish. It's your wish. It's Baba's wish. Whatever he wants. And tomorrow we can continue again. We will listen to your pravachan again.
Continue on Tuesday.
Yeah, okay.
Tuesday करेंगे दोबारा.
Yes.
तो WhatsApp पे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. एकदम ऐसे लगा कि जैसे बिल्कुल सामने बैठ के ही बात कर रही हूँ, भाई बहनों से बात कर रही हूँ.
Correct. Thank you so much. Thank you, Subhashini Didi, very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Om Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram. Om Sai to everybody.
Yeah, we continue on Tuesday.
Yes.
The same time. Yeah, please present on Tuesday. WhatsApp पे मैं message डाल दूँगी और फिर हम Tuesday को करेंगे.
But please do not discontinue. Please ये group आप खत्म मत कीजिएगा. Do something or the other. This is my request.
Yeah, कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे. बाबा के साथ connected रहेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
या उनका तो बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, Subhashini ji. Thank you, one and all.
Sai Ram, thank you everyone.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank